Hi, my foodie lovers. How y'all doing? I'm doing great, and I'm at home. So, guys, we're checking on the brand of Nature's Pack because I would like to try the peanut butter cereal that they have. This is Panda Puffs. Panda Puffs. Let's check what it has. Let's check, guys. Check it out. It has 7 grams of sugar, no artificial colors, and also it has non-GMO. Doesn't have any GMO. 300 grams it has, and it's no high fructose. And the ingredients are whole grain corn meal, cane sugar, peanut butter, soy oil, sea salt, tocopherols to add and enhance freshness. And then he said on the Nutritional Facts, 130 calories with milk 170, fat 5, cholesterol 0, sodium 125, carbohydrate 23, fibers 2, sugar 7, protein 2. Vitamin A and C and calcium 0, iron 4. Okay, guys, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh my God. All right, we open it. Wow, smell pretty good, guy. Hello. Woo! I have learned so much with you guys, through the years. Okay, let's start without milk first. The color is pretty nice. It's like a golden yellow. A golden yellow color. They look like big pellets, like a big corn pellets. Pretty good. The peanut butter flavor without the milk is pretty good. It's pretty borderline with the peanut butter. But it has peanut butter, guys, because it said that it has peanut butter. These things are for real, guys. These cereals, these types of cereal, guys, they're organic. It's the real deal, guys. Okay, let me try the milk now. See what happens. Let's go for a trip. Let's go for a swim. That's it. Wow. Wow, guys, it's even better with the milk. And it's even a little sweeter than I thought because it's organic. I thought it won't taste really like sugar at all. But as you can see, guys, it only has 7 grams of sugar. So I don't know how can they possibly, I don't know how can it possibly get this flavor so good. and even a little sweet. How can possibly get this flavor? It's amazing. It tastes wonderful. So I'm giving this a 10. I'm giving this a 10. It's very good, guys. And wow, this is a brand, guys, that you gotta look for. Look for it, guys. It's not even expensive, guys. It's not expensive at all. Most people think that when it comes to health food, most of the health food, most people think it's very expensive. In this one, guys, it only cost me $4. So it's a good alternative, guys. Really a good alternative for you, to keep those sugar level in the right place. So, guys, I'm giving this a solid 10. And thank you for allowing me to share this with you guys. A little more information on this kind of cereal. They're very nice. And 1% when you buy this kind of cereal, 1% of that purchase will go for the preservation, protect the animal, and danger of extinction. So let's protect the panda. So you don't want to see it go, huh? Look at how cute little panda there saying hello to you. I love you. I'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourself. Sayonara. Bye.